Hello students, welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology and I am Rajesh MSc Zoology. Today I am going to teach about types of neurons. Human body have different types of neurons and that neurons are divided into several types on the basis of three things mainly. According to our textbook, there are three main things, that is on the basis of presence or absence of myelin sheath and number of poles, and third thing is function. First one, myelin sheath. Neurons are divided into two types on the basis of presence or absence of myelin sheath. If the neurons have myelin sheath, if the axons are covered by myelin sheath, the type of neurons are known as myelinated neurons. And these neurons are present in the white matter of central nervous system, that is in brain and in spinal cord. Why it is present in white matter? Actually, that white color is the appearance of white color is due to myelin, because myelin is nothing but a lipid. So due to the presence of myelinated neurons, the matter is white in color, and myelinated neurons are present in white matter of brain and spinal cord, and they help in free conduction and speed conduction of nerve impulses. When compared with the myelinated neurons, non-myelinated neurons are very slow conduction when compared with the myelinated. And non-myelinated neurons, the neurons without myelin sheath are known as non-myelinated neurons. They are present in autonomic nervous system. They are present in the autonomic nervous system, and the conduction of impulses are somewhat slow when compared with myelinated neurons. So this is a one type. And the neurons are divided into three types on the basis of polarity. They are unipolar neurons, bipolar neurons, and multipolar neurons. What is meant by polarity? For example, come to this neuron. This unmyelinated neuron or non-myelinated neuron have how many poles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 poles. From the 7th pole, axon is erased. So it has so many poles, more than 2 poles. So it is a multipolar neuron and unmyelinated neuron. It is a multipolar neuron but myelinated neuron. Okay, so on the basis of the number of poles, the neurons are divided into three major types. They are unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron and multipolar neuron. Come to the unipolar neurons. Unipolar neuron have only one pole, a single pole. From that pole, a dendrite will arise and axon also. From that pole, the projection is divided into a dendrite and a axon like this. It is the dendrite and it is the axon. It has only single cell body and from only one pole. This type of neurons are known as unipolar neurons or pseudo-unipolar neurons also. Pseudo-unipolar neurons. Okay. Actually, unipolar neurons are like this. Simply, only cell body and a axon. Okay. But most of the neurons are like this. It is also a single pole. From that pole, it gives two branches. One is for dendrites and another one is for a axon. Okay, that is, one is for efferent and one is for efferent. Okay, and these type of neurons are present in the dorsal root ganglion of the spinal cord. You already know the structure. You may studied in our 10th class. Okay, this is our spinal cord structure. Okay, from here there is a dorsal root and it is a ventral root. Okay, the unipolar neuron is present in dorsal root ganglion. Here it is the unipolar neuron. Come to bipolar neurons. Bipolar neurons have two poles. From one pole it gives dendrites, protodendrites. From another pole it gives a axon. and this type of neurons are present in sensory epithelium like neurosensory epithelium like sense organs in retina. This type of neurons are present in the retina, and olfactory epithelium, and some internal ear. Okay, these are the locations where bipolar neurons are located. Okay, bipolar neurons are present in the sensory organs like retina of the eye and olfactory epithelium of the nasal chamber and internal ear. Okay, organ of Corti. Come to the multipolar neuron. Most abundant neurons present in our body are multipolar neurons. All the neurons are multipolar neurons. They are sometimes myelinated when they are present in brain and spinal cord, and some multipolar neurons are non-myelinated like autonomic nervous system. Okay, these also sometimes myelinated neurons are non-myelinated neurons. Okay, but this type of three unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar neurons are divided on the basis of polarity. Come to the function. Neurons are divided into three major types on the basis of their function. They are sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Now, sensory neurons, they receive the sense from internal or external stimulus. For example, if there is any disturbance in front of our eyes, that disturbance is converted into chemical impulses, and that chemical impulses or electrical impulses reach the brain. We think about that disturbance and we send signals to our muscles. Okay, so sensory neurons are present in the sense organs like ears and eyes and nostrils. Okay, taste buds. Okay, and come to the motor neurons. Sensory neurons receive the signals and send to the brain, and motor neurons create signals towards the motor neurons carry the signals towards the musculature. Interneurons are present in between the sensory and motor neurons. For example, here it is a dorsal root ganglion. It is a sensory neuron. Here there is a intermediate neuron. Okay, and that intermediate neuron present in between the motor neuron and another neuron is the sensory neuron, like this. Okay, it is the motor neuron. For example, this is just for example, it is the motor neuron, it is the sensory neuron. It receives stimulus from mechanical receptors and gives signals to the spinal cord. From there, it connects the middle, which is present in between the sensory neuron and motor neuron, is known as intermediate neuron, which connects the sensory neurons with motor neurons. Okay, it connects both neurons and it sends signals to the motor neurons. So here these are the different types of neurons. One is based on myelin sheath, another one is based on polarity, and another one based on function. Thank you.